Hello! Today we are going to talk about the new Q4 2021 report of the European Mechanical Installation Monitor on the topic of sustainability.
Sustainability and circularity are impacting the European construction industry. It's a slow and gradual evolution, but it's already changing the mindset of many actors. One of the key questions is, of course, how is sustainability and circularity impacting the daily business of HVAC installers?
This is exactly what we have investigated in Q4 2021 report of the European Mechanical Installation Monitor. The full report covers topics like the share of projects where sustainability is taken into account, the demand for sustainability, the products used by installers when sustainable solutions are requested, there are challenges when working with sustainable solutions, and many more.
In the full report, we share many key insights. For example, Dutch installers seem to be at the forefront of adopting sustainability in their projects. In 54% of their projects, sustainability is taken into account. The lowest share of projects containing sustainability can be found in the UK, with 31%.
When it comes to the products that are being used in projects when sustainability is being requested, it's probably not a surprise that heat pumps have been mentioned the most. They are mostly used in Germany, where 70% of the installers use heat pumps when sustainable solutions are requested, while the lowest share can be found in the UK, only 45%.
We also asked the European installers which type of heat pump they install the most. In all European countries, the answer was the same: air source heat pumps, with Polish installers mentioning this the most with 97%. The number 2 and the number 3 technology differs per country.
In the full report, we have investigated different types of installation products and to what extent they are perceived as sustainable or not. The country differences are significant, but on a European level, we can see that there are top 2 products which are perceived by installers to contribute the most for creating sustainable buildings. These are the smart products and the energy efficiency circulator pumps. On the other side, the 2 products which are perceived to contribute for creating sustainable buildings the least are the non-reversible air conditioning and the electrical water heaters.
The full report is now available and covers 6 European countries. For more information, please take a look at our report impression on our website or feel free to contact us directly.